Ooh, yes, get into this hair, baby. The bigger the better, the closer the guy. You feel me, dog? Hey babies, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm gonna be showing you guys some cute AF hairstyles to rock on an old twist out, an old braid out, or on your regular curly hair, like just to rock whenever, okay? Right now, I have an old twist out in my hair and it is giving me life, but it's a little bit dusty over here, it's a little bit dry, it's a little bit crusty. I just wanna show you guys what I do when my twist outs are starting to look old and raggedy, or if I just want to switch it up, you know what I mean? Because leaving your hair like this is cute or whatever, but sometimes you just want to spice it up. You know, you're going to a party, an event, to work. Anyway, guys, let's not waste any more time and jump right into it. Alright, so before I show y'all this first hairstyle, I'm just going to do a little dance for y'all. You know, do a little milli rock on every block. Yeah, but I'm just going to spray my hair with water first to begin. You know, get it nice and moist. Slap some Eco Styler gel on it and just work it in there, brush it in there just to lay my edges down flat. Then I'm taking a little piece at the side, you know, to have my little Jewish curl going on. And then I'm going to start to do a flat twist. And this flat twist is basically going off to the side. It's a side flat twist. It's nothing fancy. And I'm just sticking some bobby pins in there and then fluffing it out. And then fluffing it out some more. And you know, I gotta lay those edges down in the front to make sure they're nice and flat and sleek, just the way I like it. But yeah, this hairstyle I do usually when one side is looking a hot mess, and you know, you want this twist out, braid out, whatever, just to last all week. You know what I mean? If one side is looking better than the other, then whatever side is looking bad, you want to do the flat twist on that side. And if both of them looking bad, then just do two flat twists, girlfriend, and you're good to go. So moving on to this next hairstyle, I'm just doing a chunky flat twist. So I'm basically doing the same flat twist, but I'm actually doing it all the way down to the nape of my neck and then bringing it around to the other side. And I'm just putting it down with a bobby pin or this, I don't know why I'm moving the clip like that. But yeah, so that clip right there, I'm just going to clip it back there just to pin it to one side. And basically it's going to give you like this cute updo hairstyle that I think is like perfect for weddings. And then I'm just going to finesse the hell out of my edges, you know, so I could be dripping and finesse. It don't need no sense. Yeah, but this hairstyle is super dope for like weddings or any formal event. You know what I'm saying? It's just cute. And you know, to take it up a notch, you can add some flowers to it or like, you know, some rhinestones. You can really make this look real fancy. So for this next hairstyle, I'm just parting off a little section in the front. And right now I'm struggling to detangle my hair, which is nothing new, believe it or not, because my hair is forever getting tangled. But yeah, I'm just taking that small section and I'm just twisting it up all the way to the end. And then I'm just going to pin it down with a duck clip. And then I'm just going to separate a section off in the front. And then do the exact same thing on the other side. Take a small section, you know. So I detangled it and then I winded it up to the front. I mean the ends. And then now I'm tying it into a knot. This hairstyle actually sounded a lot better in my head before I did it. But it's still cute, you know. We're going to roll with it. Then I'm going to make my little Jewish curl. Finesse my edges. And pick out the back of my hair just to make the hair look more bigger and wilder, because you know, the bigger the hair the better. And yeah, that's it. This hairstyle is just cute. It's really girly. It's like my little rendition of like, you know, that bow hairstyle that a lot of girls like to do. So we just gonna fake it till we make it, okay? So if you got short hair like me, I got you, okay? Nah, but this hairstyle is definitely lit for the summer. So for this next hairstyle, I'm taking another small section in the front. Wait, I hope I'm not about to flat twist again, you guys. Am I? Alright, no, I'm braided. I knew I was gonna braid, y'all. I don't even know what I'm talking about. Anyway, so I braided that section that I took apart. So I'm braiding one braid on one side and then another braid on the next side. And basically, before you braid your hair, if your hair was in like a twist out or braid out, please comb it out. Once you're left with the two braids at the front, you're just going to take the braids and tie a knot at the back, or you could just use a rubber band to keep it together. And it creates like this headband, like your very own headband. And then once you're done, you let the back out and you start fluffing it, making it big, flicking it from one side to the other side, you know, because you really want your hair to speak volumes with this hairstyle. Like, this hairstyle is a showstopper. This hairstyle is perfect for date night with bae or your girlfriends. Like, it's just cute. So this next hairstyle is like a bonus hairstyle. I'm just showing you guys different renditions of how to rock the braids. So you could just rock the braids by leaving it out. You don't got to tie it at the back to create a headband. I feel like this hairstyle is very subtle, but it's just cute, you know? Okay, so another way that you can rock these braids is basically by pinning it at the back. So first I'm going to lay the back of my hair down flat, and then I'm going to bring the braids from the front to the back and secure it with a rubber band. And all I'm doing is creating what I like to call this Pocahontas hairstyle. This was actually a go-to hairstyle of mine when I was transitioning. And a fun fact, my old Instagram account name was actually Pocahontas_Brown. And right now it's Bellamicia. So if you guys are not following me on my social media, be sure to do that right now. I'm going to be having a giveaway coming up soon because we are at 30K subscribers. I cannot believe it, you guys. So if you guys want to enter this giveaway, make sure you're following me on all my social medias. And make sure you're subscribed to my channel, of course. I'll have more details in my upcoming videos on the exact date of the giveaway, so look out for that. So this next hairstyle is for my bold ladies out there that, you know, want to stand out and don't mind looking a little different. So I basically took the section that was braided and I unbraided it, spritz some water on it, and now I'm trying to detangle it. Once I'm done detangling it, I'm just making little triangular parts. And yes, if you haven't guessed it already, we about to Bantu knot this bad boy, okay? So that's all you see me doing right here. I'm just twisting it around and securing it. I actually have a video teaching you guys step by step how to Bantu knot. So if you guys are interested in learning, be sure to check that video out. I'm gonna insert a link somewhere up in the right hand corner, or I'll just list it in the description box down below. But as you can see, this one Bantu knot is not staying put. It's being very disrespectful right now. So we about to put some rubber bands on this bad boy. Like sometimes when you wind it around the bottom, like it stays put, but if you got a blunt bob cut like me, that's not gonna happen. So just take out some rubber bands and secure it and you're good to go. And just repeat those same steps throughout the rest of that section. And your hair should look something like this. Cute, poppin', unique hairstyle for like a concert. Just when you feel like being different, you feel me? Like I hate when everyone's like doing the same hairstyle. Sometimes you gotta switch it up a bit. You feel me? And this is definitely that hairstyle for that. If you guys have been following my channel for a while now, y'all know that I can't part for shit. Like I take forever to part. Like I don't know what's wrong with me. I don't know if I have some like hand-eye coordination problem or whatever, but like I suck at parting. But for this next hairstyle, we're just gonna make a top knot bun at the front and leave the back out. And now this is one of my favorite hairstyles just because like it just frames my face. Like I just feel like it's mad cute, but it still makes a bold statement. So as usual, I'm spraying it with some water, slapping some Eco Solid gel on it, and just brushing it up to make the bun in the front nice and slick and sleek, just the way I like it. And you know, I like my top knot buns to sit at the top. And I'm just, you know, gonna jam to some music while I finish this hairstyle, cause that's what I do. But yeah, I'm securing it with the scrunchie, and then I'm just gonna lightly wrap it around, or I should say loosely wrap it around the ponytail that I just made, and then pin it with some bobby pins just to secure the bun to make sure it stays in place. And the reason why I don't tightly wrap the bun around is because when it's loose, it looks bigger. And I like my buns to be big. This bun is exactly what I want. Like, look at it. It could barely fit in a frame, you guys. Look at that. I gotta push it down just for it to fit. But nah, this hairstyle is perfect for barbecues, going on outings with friends. Like, I'll rock this hairstyle whenever. Like, I'll even rock it to church. Like, why not? You feel me? Like, it's hella cute. Alright, so for this next hairstyle, we're just parting that section in two. And as I was parting, I actually found a gray hair, you guys. Like, look at it. It's just there shining. Like, what the heck? Comment down below if you got a great hairstyle. I won't be alone, okay? But moving right along, we're just gonna create 2 separate ponytails. So that's all I'm doing right here. Spraying it with some water, adding some Eco Styler gel, and just brushing it up into 2 separate ponytails. Once the ponytails are secure, we're just gonna go ahead and create 2 buns. So I just twisted it into one big fat chunky twist, and then I'm just gonna wrap it around the base of the ponytail very loosely like we did with the top knot bun, and then I'm gonna secure it with a bobby pin and do the exact same thing on the other side. And you should be left with something like this. So all I'm doing is like twisting the buns around, trying to make sure they're even on both sides. And then I'm just gonna remove the crocodile clips and fluff the back of my hair out. And now we're good to go. And this hairstyle is very flirty, it's very cute. It's just very fun, you guys. Like, I just like fun, festive hairstyles. I feel like doing your hair is like a great way to bring out your personality without you having to say a single word. Okay? Oh, come on! Wait, what? Let me try that again. Oh, that was much better. Okay, so this next hairstyle is literally just piggybacking off the last hairstyle that I did. I'm just taking the 2 twists that I had in the bun, and I'm just retwisting it to make it look a lot neater, even though it's looking like some big dookie twists right now. But yeah, so I wrapped it around one of the ponytails and I pinned it down, and now I'm taking the other one, retwisting it, and doing the exact same thing on the other side. So I'm just creating like a little twist crown in the front, and then I'm fluffing out the back, and that's it. So how about y'all let me know in the comments down below where y'all would rock this hairstyle to? Cause I don't know, honey. Like, I literally just came up with this hairstyle on the spot. I was taking out the twist and I was like, ooh, if I cross this over, I think this will be cute. And you know what? It is cute. What y'all think? It's cute or no?
You think I'm cute? Yes or no? Yes?
Alright, so I think this next hairstyle is it's the Ponytail Mohawk. So for the Ponytail Mohawk, I basically section off a part in the front, create a ponytail, section off a part in the middle, create another ponytail, and then section off a part at the back and then create another ponytail. So it's basically 3 ponytails in total. That kind of creates the illusion of a mohawk. So if you want to like cheat a mohawk and you don't have a mohawk clip, or you're not savvy with the bobby pins, like, this is the best way I know how to cheat a mohawk. So you're welcome. Okay? Actually, one of my first videos that I did here on YouTube was of me doing a pony hog. That's what I was trying to say earlier. But yeah, if you guys are interested in seeing it, I'll link it in the description box down below. But personally, I feel like this hairstyle looks better on shorter hair. I feel like it just looks so cute. Like, I feel like a little Powerpuff Girl. Personally, I don't care. It's cute. If it's cute, I'ma rock it. You feel me? So if y'all thought I looked like a little kid with the last hairstyle, like, y'all really gonna get a kick out of this next one, okay? So all I'm doing is creating a low ponytail. As you can see, I brushed it and slicked it back with so much water and Eco Styler gel just to get it to stay down. And then I secured it with a scrunchie. And I'm just doing the exact same thing on the other side, spraying it with water, packing on the Eco Styler gel and brushing it down so it can lay flat and low, just how I like it. And as you can see, it's very similar to the last hairstyle, except that instead of having 3 power puffs, we're doing 2 power puffs. I used to abuse the heck out of this hairstyle in middle school. Like, this was my go-to hairstyle, hands down. So it feels good to be able to rock it again, you feel me? Now we're gonna work on my Jewish curls, which really look like Jewish curls because your girl took way too much hair out on the side. But I mean, it doesn't look that bad, right? It's a neat, slick back, you know, puffy ponytail. So you want to have, you know, a little bit of loose pieces hanging down at the side. I mean, I don't know. Comment down below if y'all feel like, you know, I need to put on one of those little Jewish hats, or you feel like it's Gucci. Okay, so as you guys can see, my twist out is no longer existing. Like, my hair just look a hella hot mess. But we're gonna continue with the last hairstyle, which is a high puff. I basically got this big scrunchie from the beauty supply store and I wrapped it around my hair, and I'm wrapping it around again, and I'm basically pulling it towards the front and fluffing it out, making it look all big and, you know, cute with a whole bunch of volume or whatever. And as you can see, I got that little pouch in the back. because I do have an asymmetrical bob haircut. So I'm just going to pin the back down so it won't stick out. And I'm just going to finesse my baby hairs. As you can see, I got the Jewish curls popping from the last style. So it's like a cute little messy high puff. I don't know, I'm about to call this the lazy girl high puff because like it literally took me like less than 5 minutes to do this. Like this is going to be my go-to hairstyle when I don't feel like having my hair touch my face, touch my neck. Like this hairstyle is definitely a go. But let me know in the comment section down below what hairstyle you reach for when you don't feel like doing your hair. Alright my babies, that's all the hairstyles I have for you today. If you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to smash that like button so I know that you guys want to see more videos like this one. And let me know down below which hairstyle was your favorite hairstyle that you could see yourself rocking like on a regular. As always, thank you so much for watching beauties, and I'll see you in the next one.